Hello students, very good morning to all of you. How are you all? I think you are very fine at your home and also safe with your parents. So dear students, now we are going to learn our English grammar subject, and here we have a topic that is called vowels and consonants. Okay, so you have all have book that is basic English grammar and composition. So take out your book. Here we have chapter number 3, that is vowels and consonants. So we have started this, and what are vowels and what are consonants we have already understood. So there are 21 consonant letters and 5 letters are vowels letters. So total are 26 letters in the alphabet. So alphabet के जो 26 letters होते हैं A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So these all are 26 letters. From all these we have 5 vowels, that is A, E, I, O and U. So these are the 5 vowels letters, and remaining letters are called consonant letters. So here we have started our exercise, page number 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 we have completed. I hope you all students have completed both these pages, 8 and 9. We have written different vowels to complete the spellings of given pictures. जो pictures यहाँ पे दिए हुए हैं, इनकी spellings complete किए by putting the vowels. हमने correct vowels लगा के इनके सारे spellings complete किए. So now today what we are going to do? We are going to do B and C questions. So are you ready, dear students? So let's see question number B in the page number 10. So take out page number 10 of your book, English Grammar. पेज नंबर 10 निकालिए सभी लोग, और आपका बुक है इंग्लिश ग्रामर. ओके, so here we have again some pictures. So here we have some pictures. Like this. Okay, so what is this? Here vowel is written, we have to write down the consonant letters. जैसे कि हमने क्वेश्चन A में vowel letters को लिखा था, है ना. इसमें क्वेश्चन A में हमने vowel letters लिखे थे, यहाँ क्वेश्चन B में vowel letters लिखे हुए हैं, हमें consonant letters लिखना है. So what is this picture? This is a picture of VAN, van. Okay, so complete the spelling VAN, van. In this van we ride to the school. Okay, so this is the picture of van. So write down spelling VAN, van. Number 2, here are we have we have so here we have to write GRAPES, GRAPES, that is called grapes. GRAPES, grapes. Number 3, here we have a picture of what we will call this OT, that is COT, cot, that is khatiya, COT, cot. Cot means khatiya, grapes, cot, van. Here we have picture number 4. See the pictures, okay? I have no space there, that's why I am making here. So what is the picture of this? Blank AT, that is MAT, mat. MAT, mat. Picture number 5. Picture number 5 is of, what is that? This is blank O blank blank. So BOWL, bowl. BOWL, bowl. Picture number 6. So what is this picture? This is the picture of blank E blank blank. So here BELL, bell. So write down the spelling bell, BELL, bell. First picture VAN, van. Second one GRAPS, grabs. Third one COT, cot. Fourth MAT, mat. Then BOWL, bowl. Number 6 BELL, bell. Done this. I hope you all have completed. And here we have number 7 and number 8 picture also. So I am making here. Number 7 picture is of, what is that picture? Which we wear in our legs. So this is a picture of blank blank OE, that is shoe. So SHOE, shoe. And the last one, picture number 8. So what is that picture of this? It is blank ID, that is LID, lid. Lid means dhakkan. LID, lid. Lid means dhakkan. So completed question. Picture number 7 and picture number 8. So I hope you all have completed number 5 and 6 and 4. So complete picture number 7, that is called SHOE, shoe, and number 8, that is LID, lid. So here we have completed question number B. Question number B we have completed. So I hope you all have done your question number B. So after question number B, there is question number C also. So in the C, we have different words. The first word is BAER, bear. So what you have to do here, sorry. So dear students, what the question is, circle the vowels in these words and write the consonant in the blank. So यहाँ पे जो आपको blank दिया हुआ है ना, यहाँ पे आपको blank दिया हुआ है, इस blank में आपको इस word में कितने consonant letters है वो यहाँ लिखना है, ठीक है? तो हमारे vowels कौन कौन से होते हैं? A, E, I, O, U. So ऐसे vowels letters को हमें circle करना है. So here B is vowel, no. E is vowel, yes. So circle E, and A left जो letters बच जाएंगे like B and R. So we have to write in the blank. So circle, what we have to do, we have to circle the vowel letters and write down the consonant letters in the blank. Again there is second number word, that is J-U-M-P, that is jump. So here we have only one vowel, that is U. So here we have to write J-M-P. In the similar way we have to solve all these 14 words. So what we do, we will solve 7 words here and 7 words are the homework for you. इस साइड के जो वर्ड्स हैं हम सॉल्व करेंगे और इस साइड के वर्ड्स आपके लिए होमवर्क रहेंगे. So here we have third number, that is C-H-A-I-R, chair. So in this word we have two vowels, that is A and I. So circle A and I, and remaining letters write down here C-H-R. Number 4, that is F-E-E-T, fit. In the fit spelling, there are two vowels, that is E and E, and remaining letters, that is F and T, are consonants. After that, सिस्टर में I और E दोनों क्या है, वॉवेल, और बाकी के लेटर्स क्या है, कॉन्सोनेंट. सो राइट हियर कॉन्सोनेंट लेटर्स S-S-T-R. Number 6, 10 letters, 10 words we will do here, and 11, 12, 13, 14, 4 are the homework for you. Okay. So first, number 6 is S-N-A-K-E, snake. So in this we have A and E vowel, and remainings are consonant S-N-K. After that, B-E-E. Here we have two vowels and a single consonant, that is B only. Then W-A-L-L. Here we have A vowels, so W-L-L. 3 consonant letters, W-L-L. After that, number 9, F-A-T-H-E-R. So F के बाद A जो है वो वॉवेल है, और H के बाद E जो है वो वॉवेल है. So here we have consonant F-T-H-R, 4 letters. Next one, S-O-A-P, soap. So here we have O and A are vowel, and S and P are consonant letters. All of you, I hope you all have done this exercise with me. Here we have uncle in the 11 number, 12 number salt, 13 number fun, and 14 number dream. So in uncle there are two vowels, U and E. Salt, there is only one vowel, that is A. You have to circle it and remaining letters को आपको blank में लिखना है. FU and fun में U letter जो है वो vowel है, और ड्रीम में E और A लेटर वॉवेल है. बाकी रिमेनिंग कॉन्सोनेंट लेटर्स को आपको क्या करना है, यू हैव टू राइट इन द ब्लैंक. So here we have completed our B and C question and also completed our chapter. So all of you, I hope you all have done very well in this chapter and understood all the questions. So here we have completed our topic. So bye dear students, tomorrow we will meet again with a new topic. Okay, so bye dear students, take care, have a nice day and complete your work.